The initial numeracy assessment. This assessment is critical for helping learners and tutors work together with NorQuest foundational numeracy materials. The assessment can also be used to place students in NorQuest Foundation for Learning courses. These materials can be found on the CALP portal under the Resources tab, Foundational Numeracy, or use the link in the video description below. The assessment materials include an assessment booklet, an answer bubble sheet, and an answer key with placement guide. To locate the materials in the CALP portal, select the Resources tab. In the search bar, type in Foundational Numeracy, and the link to the materials will appear. These materials are in PDF format, so they can be downloaded to your computer for easy access and future use. Prior to the assessment, you can print off as many copies as you will need. Try and provide a quiet place for the learner and earplugs if necessary. Provide a pencil or pen and scrap paper. No calculators or cell phone should be allowed. Allow about 1 hour to complete and tell the learner to complete what they are able to and to not guess. If they do not understand what a question is, no guessing, just leave it blank. Even if the learner can only complete the first 10 questions, it still gives you a basis for placement. When the learner has completed the assessment, you can score it easily by using the answer key. There's a guide at the bottom to assist with placement. When marking the assessment, write the number correct at the bottom of each column. Use the placement guide to determine a good starting point for your learner. Once you have marked it, look through the assessment with the learner and explain to them what they can do and where they need improvement. If column 1 is less than 7 out of 10, start the learner as follows: 3 out of 10 or less, Module 1, 4 or 5 out of 10, Module 2, and 6 out of 10, Module 3. If column 1 is 7 out of 10 or higher, the learner is ready for either decimals or fractions. If all 5 are equal to or greater than 7 out of 10, the learner is ready for GED Prep. Look through the results and see where the learner needs to improve. They may not need to do all the modules, so they may only need to do portions of some of them. You may choose to have the learner start with decimals, as it does not matter if you do fractions or decimals first, because if you do the decimals first, learners will understand how much easier fractions are able to work with. Again, if most columns are equal to or greater than 7 out of 10, the learner is ready for a GED Prep program. However, you still may want to go through each section and determine if the learner should do some review before doing a GED Prep program. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please let me know. I'm Phil Switzer, NorQuest College. Take care. Have a good day.